Hello guys, welcome to the another series of what would I do if I were a complete beginner. So today we will talk about mixed points. So what are mixed points? Mixed points are the in-game currency of Mixmap. It can be used for different things such as buying mix pods. So the mix pods contain mask in Mixbot. Although they are off chain, they are still useful for those who cannot afford to buy Gen 0 Mixbot yet. So how to collect mix points? So in collecting mix points, you can collect them by picking them up in the arena. So you need to take note that during one match, you can only pick up 100 mix points at max. And then if you die, your mix points that you have collected will be turned back to zero. So you need to collect again. That's why you need to make sure that you don't die during the match. So as you can see here, I have already collected 100 mix points, so I'm focusing on finishing the match without dying. And now that I have finished the match, you can see in the reward area that I have collected 100 mix points. The other way to collect mix point is by opening glitch pad. So when you finish a match, you will gain a mix pad which gives you some mix points. Just like this one. I gained 5 mix points from one glitch pad.